guys, I am about to clean my living room and I am going to put my orange in here, take out my burgundy, the burgundy covers, everything burgundy, and I just want a little change, so I'm going to put this out, okay? And y'all can watch me do it. Alright, so let's get down to it. Let's get down to it. I already took the covers off. I'm going to take the other ones off. I'm going to dust and vacuum. And yeah, I'll come back and show you a little bit of the cleaning. So, I got everything washed that I'm going to use. My pillow covers, all the little whatnots. And yeah, so I already took the covers off. I'm about to dust. And then I'll start placing my items. I like the table. And I gotta put some flowers in here. I cracked it just now, but I still like it. And that is not different. I'm just putting some wine glasses over there. That's orange. Alright guys, so this is the finished results. It's not too much different. Just added a little orange. My burnt orange. I added my pillow covers, that bowl, little knickknacks that I had when my living room was, what was it, teal? No, it was orange and gray. I don't know, child. Orange and black, something like that. But yeah, I am loving how it looks. Look at that. It looks awesome. Then I got a few things in the kitchen, a pitcher, an orange bowl, and that orange pot over there. So yeah, the kitchen is clean. I got my fan on. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Something is stuck behind my drawer. I gotta get that out. My baby girl made some peanut butter and chocolate brownies. Yes. And that over there. And yeah, it is looking excellent. Go lay down, boy. Go lay down. So yeah, I love how it looks, guys. Guys, I am back, and I had a taste for my homemade ice cream. ice cream, homemade ice cream with a chocolate and peanut butter brownie. Now let's try. So I put some of the food up here, some down here, the dates, all that is put away. Hey, best I can do over there. And then my oils, my honey, and my teas are right there. And then I got all my bread in the bread box. The little thin breads for my breakfast sandwiches. This wonderful fridge. It looks so good. Look, y'all. I got my eggs, peaches and orange, cuties, my blueberries, raspberries. I got extra eggs right there. I cut that watermelon up, my corn, all the condiments in there. That is for Bentley food. And back there, milk. And then I have my thing of cherries. My fruit right here with my avocados, onions, and potatoes. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I am back at home. Had a doctor's appointment. So I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything today. So I am about to cook me some fish. Fish and I don't know what else, but I know I'm gonna cook some. So guys, we bought us a 10-foot long pool. My little grandson. Oh, it's gonna get hot, y'all. It's supposed to be in the 90s for 3 days. So we got this and we got this. Okay. So we're gonna be out there in the pool. Tomorrow I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna fill it up. We need to do it tonight, but it's all right. It's gonna be warmed up real quick. We're gonna put it out in the morning, inflate it, and fill the water up. So, yeah, 10-foot long, y'all. This was at Aldi's for $24.99. Yep. Nice. All right, guys. So the fish is done. I made a little sauce. I made the couscous is finished with some butter sauce. I'm making a nice salad. I will be showing you my plate once I'm done making this salad up. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, this is dinner. It is Alaskan cod. I sauteed it and made a sauce on top, red and white onions on top of couscous, and a nice salad with strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, and boiled eggs. Good morning, guys. I am up early. It's about to be hot as ever out. So I decided to make some strawberry raspberry chamomile lavender tea. Say that quick 3 times. Okay. So yeah, I already made some simple syrup with strawberries and raspberries, a little lemon juice. And then I made my tea. This is ready. It's been steeping for a minute. Yes, let me get all these bags out. Okay. Put this on top. Put it right on top. Listen, smash it right in there and put that right on top of it. There's my tea, guys. Raspberry, strawberry, lavender chamomile tea. Good morning, guys. It is a hot one today, so I just did something simple. Some mini bagels with cream cheese, boiled eggs, some beef bacon and guacamole. And I have bacon and cream cheese and boiled eggs on mine. So yeah, that is our breakfast for today. Something real simple, easy, because it's hot outside. So yeah, we filling the pool up, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. After my dog food, I got a taste for some popsicles. So I already made pineapple ones. I gotta just put them in the freezer. Just cut up a pineapple. And this is watermelon I had. I'm just smashing it. You just smash it to the consistency you like. Right, guys. So these are my popsicles. Watermelon. I left the seeds in. It don't really matter. And then the pineapple one. And yeah, let's put these in the freezer. And I will see you guys, what's tomorrow? Monday? Probably, what do I got to do? I got clothes to put up tomorrow. I might record that. I don't know. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Please hit that like and subscribe. Hit that notification. I would appreciate it. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.